Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab One, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and localize the option General Settings. Here let's find date and time. And as you can see, right now date, time and the time zone options are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Just find the day and tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just localize, just choose it actually from the clock and confirm it by tapping on OK. Here the time zone, just tap on select time zone, choose the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions and time zones from which we can choose, sorry. So find yours and then tap on it, it will be immediately set. Under it we've got also the time format options, so we can either use local default format, which is more or less automatic, or we can manually decide. So we can use either 24-hour format, which is currently applied, or 12-hour format just by turning off this option, and our device will immediately apply it. So this is the whole customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here to set the time and time zone automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.